Yeah, welcome to this wonderful session on how to create the WhatsApp e-commerce store. The web link for this tutorial is web.vpa.com. So just go to your browser and type web dot vpa vep.com, and the first thing you are expected to do is to create an account. So you're going to see create account. So you sign up, and once you sign up, you are also expected to uh, verify your account from your email address. That is the email address that is used during the registration process. A link will be sent to that email address. So you are expected to click on that link or copy it on your web browser, and then you activate your account. And if you have done that, you just sign up with your email and your password. I have created an account for this tutorial process, so I will just log in now. I'll log in, and then it will take me straight to my dashboard. So this tutorial we are going to look at how to create our BIOS. This particular will teach us how to create our BIOS, and in other subsequent classes we'll be looking at how to add your how to add your products, your categories, add prices, and all that. So I want to take this lesson step by step. So once you log in, you are going to have this dialog popping up. Next is to click on the business name column, and then you are going to enter your business name. So what is your business name? For example, there we have FBB Clothing. So you choose your own business name. So I'm going to type something here just for this tutorial purpose. This does not exist, but for the purpose of this tutorial, that is why I'm making use of this. So is Shurunke multi-purpose. You select your country. I'm in Nigeria, so I'll locate Nigeria, and then your currency, that is Nigerian Naira. When you are done, you click on finished. And then it takes you to your main dashboard. Dashboard. So at this point, you're going to have something like this coming up. Because I've not verified my email, you can see what is showing up pop up. Said email not verified, that have sent me a link. So if I want to verify it, I'll just go to my email address and get it verified. So now we are going to look at how to set up our BIOS section. So move to your left hand side, and then you click on my biz. So under your biz, we have the information, as is information about your business. We have the product profile image, we have the cover image, the brand name is already there, that is the business name. And you also talk about your business, the language, just put that automatic, and then your address. For those that have physical stores, it is advisable you also put in your address, so that probably your customers can even come for pickup at your physical address, and then you save. So under the profile image, you are expected to use your logo. Once you click on it, it takes you to your gallery, where you will be expected to select any picture to be used. So I'm just going to pick one here for this training purpose. Let me just use this for this training purpose, and then go to crop this image. So crop. So I have cropped the image, and then the next thing is to use my cover image, though that's not my real logo. Like I said, I'm using it for tutorial purpose. So I'm just going to choose anything just to make this training worked out. So you crop the particular parts needed, and then you save. That is for the cover image. The cover image can be pictures, can be combination of pictures of your product for the cover image. But for the profile image, it is advisable you make use of your brand logo. That is your business logo. If you don't have one, I can create one for you, not free. All right. So we have the business name, and then here we have the about business. So you tell us about your business. What do you do? When you click on it, it pops us for you to type, and then for the language, business language, automatic. I think it's okay in automatic, and you can decide to choose English, but automatic is okay. Your address, fill in your address, and then you click on save. You click on save. So auto save chat, so you can keep that active too, and save it. So we are done with the info section. We are done with the info section. Okay. All right. I can't use that feature for. I was told I can't use this feature. That is the autosave feature for this free uh, version. All right. Nevertheless, we are good to go. The next thing is to click on numbers. We have dealt with info. Now let's deal with numbers. For this number, I advise you put your WhatsApp number, and then if you have other sales representatives, you can add them also. That is, you can add more than one number. More than one number, you can add them up here. So under the numbers, just come to the top. You see add new. Add new. You select the country code. It's Nigeria. Select the country code, and then you input the WhatsApp number. It must be a WhatsApp number 08146064761, and then you click on create. So if you want to add multiple numbers, all you need to do is to click on add new. So these numbers will appear on your website. So once your customers click on your link, the first thing they are going to do, they are going to see your details, your logo, your description, the numbers displayed. Those numbers can be, they can chat up those numbers when need arises. Okay, so we are done with numbers. Now let's go to social media links. Social media links, you can add up your Facebook link, your WhatsApp, your Telegram, and your LinkedIn, your Messenger, your YouTube, every social media that you have, you can add them up here. So what you need to do is to click, if you are adding up Facebook first, locate the Facebook icon, click on Facebook, and then come to this URL box, tap on it, enter the address www.facebook.com slash your username /username. All right, another way to okay, URL is not invalid. Let me use it as HTTPS. I think that is what is needed. HTTPS colon and double slash facebook.com All right. So let me assume this my link is correct. I'll just click on create. Click on the create icon. It's like I'm being told the link is not correct. The link is not correct. So it's like I'm not getting it right. Okay, but the best way you can copy your link, let me just tell you, the best way you can copy your link is just to maybe log into your Facebook account on a web browser, and then you copy out the link on the address bar and paste it here. I'm sure there won't be any issue on that. And once you are done, you just click on the create icon. The same thing goes to your Instagram, your YouTube. Just come over, paste the link, and then you are good to go. And remember to always click on create to make the effect on your dashboard. I believe you are getting it. Now let's move to domain. Let's move to domain. Domain. So this domain is the name of your call it the name of your website, how you want it to appear. I will also advise you just make use of your brand name for this purpose. So just come back to subdomain, leave it the way it is, and come to subdomain to edit uh, whatever you need to edit there. So I will leave it as Shoruken Multipurpose .wat.biz. So all you need to do, just put your brand name without a .com or .ng or .whatever. The brand name alone, the domain name alone, and leave every other element. Because what will be given out will be this brand name plus the .wat.biz you can see, you can find at the right hand side. Then you click on save. You click on save. So this is the domain name that will be shared out to your customers or to wherever you want to click on your link. Now we are done with this particular aspect on info, number, social media. The link is also the same thing as importing links from other sources, either from YouTube, from Facebook, that will lead them to a particular that will lead customers to where they can engage either with product, or maybe you have it can be a link from your Facebook page. You have uploaded a picture or a product on your Facebook page. That link, once it is copied on in link uh, and they click on it, it will redirect them to Facebook. So that is another way of using links. The domain has been settled. The pages, well, I won't say we don't really need that, but we are going to, let's just look at that too. Click on plus, the plus sign that is add new page. Under that you can just put like the title, the name of the page. Let's assume about us. Let's just about us, and then the cover. The cover is optional, that is a picture to that effect, and then you come to content, click on the add, and you can just tell us a brief again about yourself, about your business, and a detailed explanation about yourself or your business. Put it here, and then you click on the save and close. So once you are done, uh, you click on the create icon. And you are good to go. And then I'll click on the create. Going to click on create, and then at the top is still loading. At the top you are going to see uh, drafts. You can see the first page I created, which is about us. Now look at the status is in draft. All you need to do is just to click on it, and then to change it uh, to change the status to publish. So once you click on that draft, it changes back to what? To publish, and remember to click on what? To save. If you need to delete it, you click on the delete icon. Now it is what? Published. Now let's quickly look at our page and see how it looks like. View page. View page. So if you have created your information, you have inserted your information, your business name, your logo, and all that, let's look how it will look like. You can see that's my address at the top of the screen, shorenke.multipurpose.watts.biz. So let's wait while it loads up. Wow. So if I've used good images, correct images, you see this is how it's going to appear. This is how your customers will view your store. This is how they are going to view your store. And at this point, we'll be going to how to create categories and how to add products to our store. So the first assignment or the first assessment you are going to do is to create your own account and then fill up every necessary information in the bio, in the info, in the links, and probably if you want to add pages, you also do that. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.